Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to take a screenshot on Windows 11. The first and most common method is to use the print screen button on your keyboard. Now locate the print screen button, usually on the right side of your keyboard. Press and hold the function FN key along with the print screen button simultaneously. This action captures a screenshot of your entire display. Another option is to take a full screenshot and automatically save it to a folder. Then, press the Windows key and the print screen button simultaneously. The screenshots will be saved in your Pictures folder under Screenshots. To capture a specific part of your display, press the Windows key, the Shift button, and the S button simultaneously. This opens a menu that allows you to select a regular or freeform screenshot. Then highlight the area you want to capture. And that's it. These are the main ways to take screenshots on Windows 11. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.